stepping out, spinning around. I'm underground, I fell down.
Read.
What you reading?
You did not just talk.
Sure I did.
How?
All cats can talk.
Wait a minute, who does 3 and who does 2?
Doesn't matter. Just go.
Okay. No, they can't.
No, they can.
No, they can't.
Of course they can. I mean, we're at the Red Sea already.
What?
I said part of the Red Sea.
Okay, then.
It's cat language for believing in the impossible. I mean, you humans are so narrow-minded.
No, we're not. I'm not even human. I'm immortal. I'm a
I
fairy.
know fairies are so narrow-minded.
You aren't?
Eater.
You're not. We're.
Sure about that? You want to shriek?
I thought you were talking to the cat, not the mosquito.
It's Chesire Cat's fault.
My fault.
Yes, it
Why
is!
is everything always blamed on me? I mean, it's not like
You have a creepy smile and you poop out of nowhere.
so. It's not like I'm mischievous or anything.
Yes, you are! Did you see what you did to Alice 5 days ago?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god!
Sorry, Asians.
Who's Alice?
You said Alice wasn't Asian. Did you know her?
Yeah, I did.
If you did, then you would know that she was Asian.
I just hung out with her yesterday. So yeah, I know she's not Asian.
Yeah, and I hang out with her every day.
You're always in your cat box.
No, I'm not.
And your cage?
That's a fake. It's a robot.
No, it's not. I just took cat box not even an hour ago.
Pull one,
Yes,
Chelsea.
I can.
And she must have some mad diarrhea.
Yeah. Curiouser and curiouser. You're very.
Rose and red, violets are blue, but you suck. Did you take 3? Okay.